just doing a no-show. There it is, 5:59. The game is scheduled for 1:45, and he still hasn't added me. Funky Monkey. It's a no-show. I haven't received any messages from him. That was ages ago. Yeah, no. There we go, that's a forfeit. Let's prove. Just wait until that ticks over to 6 and then that's a forfeit. And I'm not talking to you, am I? Still not added me. There we go, 6 o'clock, that's a forfeit.